Brief, accurate and important news of today's Thursday. Abdul Qahar Balkhi, the spokesman of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, says an Afghan delegation led by Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Foreign Minister Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi will visit Doha at the end of July and hold talks with American officials on issues of interest. Afghanistan priorities during talks are ending sanctions, blacklist, unfreezing Afghanistan's bank reserves, stopping violations of Afghanistan airspace during the visit. The Afghan delegation will also hold talks with the Qatari government officials on bilateral issues. Mullah Khairullah Khairkha, the acting Minister of Information and Culture, said at the graduation gathering of the students of Ghulam Muhammad Mamangi Art Education School, the Islamic Emirate will destroy all the laws that hinder our progress. In Paktia, Gardiz municipality has started the construction work of a road at the cost of 56 million Afghanis. As stated by the official, this road is about 1 kilometer long and 30 meters wide. The Economic Assistance of Department of Ministry says to achieve self-sufficiency in the economic field, Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is entirely supporting domestic products, its marketing at home and abroad, in the private sector in this regard. Kabul municipality says in the 13th area of the 16th district, the construction works of streets are underway. Ministry of Interior says member of the 2nd Precinct Security have arrested an 8-member gang of professional robbers. The Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock has shared its one-year activities and achievement with the nation through the media in the context of the Government Accountability Program.